Turtles. Turtles are animals with shells. Shells cover their backs and bellies. Turtles have scales on their shells. The scales are bumpy or smooth. Many turtles have spots or patterns on their scales. Turtles live on land or in water. They move slowly on land. Some turtles are good swimmers. They rest in the sun to warm their bodies. Most turtles eat plants and insects. A turtle grabs food with its beak. Turtles do not have teeth. They use their jaws to bite and chew. Turtles do not take care of their young. Baby turtles must find food and stay safe. Turtles hide in their shells when they sense danger. They come out again when it is safe. Welcome back, turtle. Armadillos. Armadillos are animals with long, pointed snouts. They have hard shells on their backs. Skin and hair cover their bellies. Armadillos make homes in grasslands and forests. They live in logs or burrows. They dig burrows with their strong legs and sharp claws. Armadillos sink in water. They can hold their breath for 6 minutes. They can also fill their bellies with air. This lets them float in water. Armadillos eat ants, termites, and other insects. They use their long, sticky tongues to grab food. Armadillos run from coyotes, bears, and other predators. Their shells protect them while they run. Armadillos can jump up to 4 feet, 1.2 meters, in the air when scared. Up, up, and away! What are porcupines? Porcupines are spiky rodents. These mammals live across much of Canada and the western United States. Most porcupines make homes in forests. Some porcupines roam western scrublands. In the north, they may live in tundra. Porcupines have brown or black fur. They are also covered in sharp quills. These quills are dark with white tips. Male porcupines are larger than females. They can weigh up to 35 pounds, 16 kilograms. Most porcupines measure just over 2 feet, 0.6 meters, in length. Porcupines usually live high in trees. Long claws and rough pads on their feet help them climb. In pine forests or open areas, porcupines make dens in hollow logs or underground. Finding food. Porcupines forage at night. They look for food in trees or on the ground. Leaves and tree buds are favorite treats. Porcupines also nibble on flowers, berries, and nuts. Some porcupines eat plants from lakes or streams. They swim to find this food. Their quills help them float. In winter, food can be hard to find. Then these herbivores chew on bark and pine needles. Facing enemies. Few predators hunt porcupines. The spiky animals are protected by strong defenses. When porcupines sense danger, they click their teeth as a warning. They raise their quills if this does not work. When a predator comes too close, the porcupine hits it with its tail. The sharp quills stick in the animal. Barbs make the quills hard to pull out. Porcupets. In spring, a female porcupine has one baby. A porcupet is born with soft quills. These harden after about an hour. Mom hides her baby on the ground. It cannot climb trees yet. At first, the porcupet nurses. Then it forages with mom at night. After 6 months, the young porcupine goes off on its own. White-tailed deer are hoofed mammals. They live throughout much of Canada, the United States, and Mexico. These deer often hide in forests. They are also found in deserts, prairies, and swamps. White-tailed deer have reddish-brown coats in the summer. Their fur fades to grayish-brown in the winter. They have white patches by their eyes, nose, and throat. Their bellies are also white. These deer are named for the white fur on the underside of their tails. They raise their tails to show the white when scared. This warns other deer that danger may be near. Finding food. White-tailed deer search for food in the evening and early morning. They are herbivores. In the summer, they eat leaves, fruits, and mushrooms. They chew on nuts and corn in the fall. Twigs and bark are winter foods. White-tailed deer must be ready to run from predators. Even in thick forests, they can run up to 30 miles, 48 kilometers per hour. This is usually fast enough to outrun bears, wolves, and other animals. bucks and does. Male white-tailed deer are called bucks. They grow to be bigger than females, or does. Bucks grow up to 6 feet, 1.8 meters long. Their shoulders are about 3 feet, 0.9 meters, from the ground. They weigh up to 300 pounds, 136 kilograms. Every spring, bucks grow a new set of antlers. They use them to fight over does. Then the antlers fall off in winter. Mom and fawns. A doe gives birth to up to 3 fawns at a time. White spots cover the fawns' backs. These camouflage them from predators. At 3 to 4 months old, fawns usually lose their spots. They stay with mom for up to 2 years. Then they have fawns of their own.
Aussie cats. What are Aussie cats? Aussie cats are large, striking cats. Their spotted coats make them look wild, but they are friendly and playful. Aussie cats have short, soft hair that covers their athletic bodies. They are named after wild cats called ocelots. History of Aussie cats. The breed started in Michigan in 1964. Virginia Daly bred an Abyssinian with a Siamese cat. The kittens were later bred to another Abyssinian. The result was a spotted kitten named Tonga. People love Tonga's unusual pattern. More cats were bred to look like him. Today, people are still wild about Aussie cats. Coat of many colors. Aussie cats come in 12 colors. Chocolate is common. Tawny and blue are also popular colors. Aussie cat tails have dark tips. The tip tells the cat's true coat color. Most Aussie cats are spotted. Tabby and ticked coats have become less common as the breed grows. Solid Aussie cats have ghost spots. These are hard to see. Aussie cats have big, slanted eyes. These come in any color but blue. Strong legs help the cats jump high and climb tall furniture. Lively and loving. Aussie cats are intelligent cats that love to play. Puzzle toys keep them entertained. Some even learn to open lids to get treats. Aussie cats like to be around humans. They follow their owners around. Some Aussie cats will greet strangers at the door. Scottish folds. What are Scottish folds? Scottish fold cats are known for their folded ears. Some have ears that bend forward. Others have ears that lay flat. The breed can be short-haired or long-haired. Scottish folded coats come in many colors and patterns. They are often solid or tabby. History of Scottish folds. The first Scottish fold was from Scotland's Tayside region. She was a white barn cat called Susie. A mutation made her ears fold. A shepherd named William Ross noticed Susie in 1961. Ross bred kittens from Susie. He called the breed lop-eared after a type of rabbit. Later, the cats were renamed Scottish Folds. They are now loved pets. Folded ears and owl looks. All Scottish Folds are born with straight ears. Some ears fold around 3 weeks. Only about half the kittens get folded ears. Those with straight ears help keep the breed healthy. Scottish Folds are charming pets, no matter what ears they have. These medium-sized cats have round eyes and heads. People say they look like owls. The cats often look like they are smiling. Sweet and silly. Scottish Folds do not say much. Some talk with quiet chirps. However, they are affectionate. These sweet cats cuddle with their favorite people. Scottish Folds have goofy poses. They stand on their back legs or flop on their backs. Many lounge like humans. They sit back with their paws on their bellies.
What are Sphynx? Sphynx are a unique cat breed. The cats are almost entirely hairless. Sphynx are famous for their soft, wrinkled skin. They are also known for their huge ears. History of Sphynx. This breed began in Canada. A cat in Toronto gave birth to a special kitten in 1966. The kitten was hairless. This was a natural mutation. People bred more hairless cats. They named the cats after the Sphinx. It is a cat-like sculpture in Egypt. Today, Sphynx are bred around North America and Europe. Wrinkly and wide-eyed. Sphynx have medium-sized bodies. They are covered in wrinkles. They have large, firm bellies. They always look as though they just ate a big meal. These cats have no fur, but they do have a layer of fuzz. Some have short hairs on their tails, toes, noses, or ears. Their skin can be any solid color or party color. It may also be tabby or tortoise shell. Sphynx have short whiskers or no whiskers at all. Their ears and eyes are big and wide. Snuggly show-offs. Sphynx are playful cats. They have a lot of energy. They love to be the center of attention and often show off.